Okay, team, hey, functions can also be represented as tables, and we may need to write a equation or function to represent a table. So just like the other video, I need something that looks like y equals mx plus b. I need a m slope. I need a b y-intercept. So how do we do that find from a table? Great question. Here's how we're going to do that. The m is the rise over the run, and the y-axis is what takes us up and down. So let's go ahead and just find out what is the change in the y each time. Well, from 9 to 7, I went down 2. From 7 to 5, I went down 2. And from 5 to 3, I went down 2. So my rise is -2. My run, or side to side, is my x-axis. So what's going on the x-axis? Well, from -3 to -2 to -1 to 0, that's going up 1 each time. So my slope is -2 over 1. Now, I can hear you thinking to yourself, gosh, Mr. Bywater, can't I reduce that fraction to -2? And to you, I say, yes, you can. This is really just the same thing as -2. So there's my m. My y-intercept, well, a sneaky little trick here that's going to make sense in the next picture that I show you. The y-intercept always occurs when x is 0. So right here, I can see that x is 0 here, and the y value is 3. So I know that my y-intercept is just 3. Now, we have an m, we have a b. We can write an equation. So I have y equals mx plus b. M is -2. -2x plus 3. And team, that is my equation. But don't go yet, because I can show you a slightly different method and help you understand why the intercept occurs when x is 0. So here's what it would look like if we were to take this table and plot it in a coordinate plane. You can see the graph there on the side. They fall in a line. And there's the slope formula. They got the same thing that we got using the slope formula. And this picture does a good job at showing, and I wonder if I can get my little laser back here. Laser. It does a good job at showing why the x or the y-intercept occurs when x is 0. And that's because it falls right on the y-axis. It doesn't go side to side at all. It doesn't go side to side, so its x value is just 0. But if you're looking at a table, you don't ever have to actually graph it to see that. You can just look and know, oh, hey, my y-intercept happens when x is 0. And there's the same answer that we just got. So there is writing a function, aka equation, to represent a table. All right, team, thanks for playing.